how to see recently watched videos on Facebook. So what you're going to do is to go here to your Facebook application and it will lead you here to your homepage, right? Now, the very first thing that you're going to do is on the bottom part, you'll see six different options there, right? You'll see home, video, friends, profile, notifications, and menu. Click on your menu here and it will lead you here. And what you're going to do is to click on the gear icon on the upper right here. Now it will lead you to your settings and privacy. Now, after that, what you're going to do is to scroll down up until you see your activity section here. Tap on activity log. Now, after clicking on the activity log, you will see the blue boxes here, the blue rectangles. So you just have to swipe through that and look for videos watched. And basically, you will see the list of all the videos that you have watched, and you can even filter them via date. And basically, that is it. And that is how to see recently watched videos on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.